Have you ever wondered what makes this light bulb glow? It's all thanks to a little thing called voltage. But what exactly is voltage? And how does it work? Let's find out. Imagine voltage as the push that gets electrons moving along a wire, much like water being pushed through a pipe. It's this flow of electrons that we call electric current.
Voltage is created by a difference in electric potential energy between 2 points. Think of it like two ends of a battery. One end has more electrons than the other, creating a pressure that pushes the electrons through the circuit. The term volt is named after Alessandro Volta, who invented the voltaic pile, the precursor to modern batteries. His invention showed us how chemical reactions could create this electron-pushing force. In different types of circuits, like series and parallel, voltage behaves differently. In a series circuit, voltage divides across components, while in a parallel circuit, it remains the same across all paths. To measure voltage, we use a tool called a voltmeter. It tells us how much push is available to move electrons from one point to another. Voltage powers our world, from the smallest gadgets to the tallest skyscrapers. But there's more to voltage than just powering devices. Let's dive into some electrifying facts about voltage. The symbol for voltage can be either V or U, depending on where you are in the world. In English-speaking countries, V is commonly used, while U is standardized internationally. Devices are designed to operate at specific voltages. Too much voltage, and you could fry your electronics. That's why adapters and converters are crucial when traveling to countries with different voltage standards. There are two main types of voltage: DC, or direct current, and AC, or alternating current. DC voltage is like a straight line, always flowing in one direction. AC voltage, on the other hand, is like a wave, constantly changing direction. The War of Currents was a battle between the DC system, supported by Thomas Edison, and the AC system, championed by Nikola Tesla. Ultimately, AC won out for long-distance power transmission. Birds can perch safely on high-voltage power lines because they don't create a path to the ground, so electricity doesn't flow through them. It's the same reason why you can get a shock from touching a live wire with your feet on the ground. Lightning is a natural display of voltage in action. A single bolt of lightning can carry up to 1 billion volts of electricity. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power convert natural energy into voltage that can be used to power our homes and devices, helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. So voltage is the driving force behind the flow of electricity. Without it, our electronics would be lifeless. And now, you know how voltage works.